Now, the first thing I'm going to cover here is an enhancement to the holder collision. So in 2018, in addition to being able to mark the collision areas during simulation, we're also marking the collisions with the tool motions and also flagging the operations in here as dirty. So you'll notice that as I simulate this pocket operation in here, when a holder collision is detected, it automatically flags the machining operation as dirty, as you just noticed it, and as you take a look at your toolpath viewer or the toolpath editor, it also marks those corresponding toolpath motions as flags them in as collision areas in here. So you can graphically identify those, and you'll notice that the collision areas are also marked during simulation in here as well. So this is a very nice enhancement for you to, in addition to being able to view those collisions in the simulation, you can actually go and look at those specific toolpath motions in your toolpath viewer or toolpath editor, and it also flags the machining operation as dirty, so you can see those being reflected for the holder collisions as you identify those holder collisions during simulation. So this is a very nice enhancement that you can see in version 2018, and this can be found right from our standard configuration. The holder collisions can be identified.